Title: The Secret Language Training Method Used by Special Agent. Have you ever wondered how intelligence officers master a new language in just a few months? They don't sit in classrooms repeating, "Hello, how are you?" They train like soldiers, fast, focused, and mission-driven. Today, you'll learn that exact mindset the operation-style language method. No boring textbooks, no endless grammar drills, just pure tactical learning built for results. This method isn't about secrets from the CIA or MI6. It's an original approach inspired by the way elite field agents prepare for foreign missions. It's called mission-based language activation. And in the next, I'll show you how to use it to think, speak, and react like a native without leaving your room. Step 1. Define your mission. In intelligence training, every exercise has a mission clear, measurable, and short. So instead of saying, "I'll learn English," say, "I'll handle a 5-minute meeting in English about production delays," or "I'll survive a coffee chat about travel plans." Each mission should fit inside 2 minutes of talking time. That's your battlefield. Because small missions train precision, and precision creates fluency. Step 2. Zero prep speaking drill. Now imagine your commander says, "Go. Speak now." You have 60 seconds. No notes, no dictionary. Just speak whatever comes to mind. This is your zero prep drill. You'll stumble. You'll forget words. Perfect. That's your brain mapping the gaps, the places you'll reinforce later. Real agents call this situational exposure. You're training your reflex, not your memory. Step 3. Input extraction. After the drill, gather intelligence. Search short articles, YouTube transcripts, or dialogues about your topic. Highlight words and phrases that could have saved you during your first attempt. Write them as chunks, not full sentences. Set clear goals. Deal with pressure. Push back politely. These are your linguistic weapons. Don't memorize definitions, memorize function. Step 4. Active recall loop. Next, activate those weapons. Read your list for 1 minute. Close it. Speak for 30 seconds. Then open it again and correct yourself. Repeat 3 rounds. This is the active recall. Loop the same principle fighter pilots use in simulation training. Every round tightens your response time and builds instant retrieval. Step 5. Shadow and shift. Now, listen to native audio about your mission topic. First, shadow it, repeat simultaneously, matching rhythm and tone. Second, shift it, change the subject, the tense, the perspective. Third, own it, rewrite it into your personal situation. Example. Original. We often run overtime working at workplace. Your version: I used to work late when managing remote teams. That's how imitation becomes creation. Step 6. Constraint speaking challenge. Here's where agents get creative. Set 3 banned words like good, very, thing. Force yourself to speak for a minute without them. You'll automatically reach for stronger vocabulary. Efficient, substantial, strategy. By removing comfort words, you sharpen precision. It's linguistic weight training. Step 7. Red Team debrief. Every operation ends with a red team review, a friendly interrogation. Play both roles. Ask yourself why, what evidence, any alternatives? Then answer in your target language. You're not memorizing scripts, you're defending ideas. That's how real-world confidence is built. Step 8. The 5-box notebook. Keep one field notebook divided into 5 boxes. 1 key phrases, 2 numbers and units, 3 transitions, however, actually 4 pushback lines, 5 closing sentences. After each session, fill in at least 1 line per box. That's your personal intel archive, your playbook for the next mission. 7-day operation plan. Here's your 1-week field schedule. Create 2 missions, gather 10 phrases, 2 shadow shift own. WED 0 prep speaking constraint challenge. Through active recall loop X3. Free red team debrief. SAT combine everything into a 3-minute speech. Sun review and replace missions. 7 days, 20 minutes a day. Result? A brain that thinks in your target language. So stop studying like a student and start training like an operative. Languages aren't learned, they're executed. Every sentence you speak is another field test. If this strategy sparked something in you, download the mission template in the description. Subscribe for your next briefing. And remember, fluency isn't luck. It's discipline under pressure.